Kaylee,
What?
don't touch the typewriter.
Doesn't say don't touch.
Yeah, don't touch it. But you can, I think you're allowed to stamp a ticket. Cool, isn't it? Hi, how you going? Oh, wow. Yep. Yes. Sorry? Yeah, well, we do have a YouTube channel, but yeah, we do try and video everything we do. Yeah, it's good to remember. Go back and look. Huh. Oh wow, look, a little train station.
Oh, it's at the other side, Chloe. On the back side.
Oh, you guys see it? I'm like, oh.
Do another tunnel that will come out the front and go into the other one. That's so cool.
It'll go out.
Green means go.
That's what Rocky says in
Don't lean on the glass.
Yeah, my bad.
This is so cool. Even the windmill turns.
Is that
the windmill turns, the lights turn on. Look at, like, just imagine how hard that would be to turn a light on that small.
Hey, here we go. So if there's stairs up, you're allowed in, guys.
1820 second class sitting carriage. This is the second class sitting carriage.
You okay?
Quick. Oh, you get a little toilet and hand washing. Shh, guys, shush. Look, it's like Harry Potter.
Yeah, it is. That's what I thought.
Hang on, wait here. We don't want to get lost.
I think this is a good room. It's very nice.
Oh gosh.
Lachlan, we need to stay together.
Second class
okay?
carriages. In your seats, 25 to 32.
Oh, so this will be like those other ones.
Oh, the kids. Here we go. Oh, and they have a toilet at both ends. That's cool.
Oh, so second class really wasn't that bad, but there was 4 people per chair, as opposed to first class, which is only 3, and they've got individual chairs.
It's 8.
Yeah, 4 on each side. Oh, these are.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So cool.
Oh, look at this diesel. Oh, his light's on. Steam locomotive. Here we go. Wow. Shh, Lachlan, no hitting.
I'm trying to do this. Is this supposed to be a seat of some kind?
I believe so. And look, all the coal would be there. And you'd have to shovel it into just in front of Callum. Cool. Next train. Electric locomotive. Oh. Did Lachlan fall over again? That's the second time on these stairs.
Off, Genfield, off. Stop it. The clicking is annoying. Stop. Ah.
Callum, stop. This is a second class carriage. Lavatory carriage. Watch out. That's a lavatory. Wait on. Stop. Excuse me, I want to have a look.
No.
Oh, that's just... Oh, so each person got their own seat and toilet. Callum, stop that. Wow, look at this.
This thing's huge.
Express passenger steam locomotive. Guys, behave. Yeah, I am coming. So each carriage, did each carriage get a toilet? Yes, it's a second class. Each individual carriage on that one got a toilet. And this is an express.
Did you hear that crack?
No. Can you hop out the way? Oh, gosh. Are warned against bringing fire irons. So this is...
Hey!
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to break something. Wowee. Come this way. Come on, guys. This way. This way. Come on, look. An accident train. Oh, look. This has a crane on it. So this came and collected, if trains came off the tracks, this would be the one that you called. So it has a big crane and it can lift trains.
And save people.
Well, and get the trains
Maybe
back and
save
running
people.
again.
They probably died in the crash.
Oh, I hope we get to see a first class cabin.
Here it is, first class. Right
Look at this little one. This is CPH2. Callum, for crying out loud. Alright, here we go.
Give me a roll, give me a roll, give me a roll, give me a roll.
Oh, that's an accident van. This is... Yeah. Typical. Ooh, this is cool. Little cabin, then toilet. That's enough. Get off. And now, look guys, this one here is the accident van. So let's have a look what that was like. To transport maybe, ooh, a bit fancy, the ceiling.
The one after this.
These are berths. Oh, well, this is a fancy first class. This is first class cabin. Definitely first class. So you wash your face.
What even is that?
That is a sink. And you got a 2-berth. Lachlan, don't do that.
Sink.
Yeah, that's a sink.
And they have a little table.
Them to wash their hands. And bunk beds. And look, you can pass your food through here.
Ashtray. They have an ashtray.
So this is fancy first class. This is where the wealthy people on long train rides would. Guys, please stop. So you even have a mirror and a wardrobe to hang your things. Another wardrobe. Do not throw anything out of the carriage.
It's not showing the bunk bed probably for a reason. Just leave it.
Oh, the ladies get a shower.
Because of the sticky men.
Because of the stinky men. And I don't know where the toilet is.
Hey, come here.
Just wait, I've got to look for a toilet.
I'm going to call. I'm going to show something.
Just wait, I'm looking for a toilet. Oh, they have a galley kitchen. This is definitely... I'm coming in a second, mate. Oh, a dining part. Fancy. And a carriage. And a men. The men get the toilet. The women can do wheeze in their hand basins. Yes.
I'm going to show you something.
Hot water system.
This.
What are you doing?
You flip that all the way to make that come out. And you got like a whole nother room.
Another area.
And that's a bunker bed.
It is. Cool, isn't it?
So two people are allowed to sleep.
Yep. Oh. The door was closed on us.